Hello everyone. So in this problem, we are trying to find the missing number. So here we are given a list which is not in order, and we need to find which element or number is missing in this given list. So here let's just arrange it first in the order. So we'll say sort. Let's print it. Now here we know that after seeing the list that element 4 is missing, right? So it is 1 to 10, but we can't find it just by looking into it, so we have to also print it, right? So let's go with the program. So we'll say value max, which is equal to the max value in array. So here we know that we have to go from 1 to 10, right? So 10 is the maximum value. So in our loop we have to go till 10. Then we'll use a for loop for I in range. So range will start from 1 to val. But here what happens, the values will be from 1 to 9, not 10. So it will be val plus 1, value m max, right? So here for that value we are checking if I, that is 1 from 1 2 3 4 5, if it is not equal to array of I minus 1. Now here it is I minus 1 because initially we are starting from index 0, right? So 0th index will contain value 1. If this had started with 0, then we could have just used array of I, but since it is starting from 1, we have to see here that the value here will be less than what we are trying to find in the loop. So I not equal to array of I minus 1, that means the value say 4. So when in the iteration I is equal to 4, I is not equal to array of index 3. So in index 3 will have 5, right? So 5 is not equal to 4. That's why it will say that the value I is missing and we have to break from the loop. And here we find that the value 4 is missing. Now here we are using loop, but there is still another method in which we can easily find the missing number, that is by the mathematical formula. So what we will do here is that we'll say value is equal to the sum, right? So sum of array. So this value will also be compared because we're trying to find total here. Now initially what's the total of say 10? So 1 to 10 is equal to 55. So how can we find it? We can say 10 into 11. So what we will get? We'll get 110, and this number must be divided by 2. Here we are using two signs because we want to find the integer value. So what is the division of 110 by 2? It is 55, right? So the sum of 10 is also equal to 55. So that's how we are trying to find the missing value, because here the sum will be less than that of the total because 4 is missing, so it will be minus 4, right? Then it will be 51, and that's how we are trying to find the missing number. So next we'll say n. So n is equal to the length, right? So what we will say, n is equal to length of, no, here n is equal to the max value, max of array, that is equal to 10. So n into n plus 1, and this value is divided by 2 in the integer form, and what we are doing is we are printing the difference. So here total minus value will give the missing number. Here we got 4. So let's try another value. Let's say 4 is present in this list and 6 is not present. So 6 is the missing value. That's it. Thank you.